how to stop losing money when trading Forex. All right, so this topic is pretty unpopular. Everyone is talking about how to make huge profits, how to flip accounts, how to do this, how to do that, and so on. But nobody really talks about how to stop losing money, because we all need to know, like, before we get to be profitable, we have to stop losing money. That's super simple. Okay, so we literally want to be 10 step ahead when we haven't even made the first step. Okay, so I really think that this topic is super important, and that's exactly why I decided to make this video. I'm pretty sure that you guys are interested in this topic as well, since you clicked on it. All right, so let me get straight into my opinion. How do we stop losing money when trading Forex? Well, for me, this happened when I stopped comparing myself to others, because I was in this vicious circle, well, where I was spending a lot of time on social media, on YouTube, which is totally fine for education purposes, okay? But for me, I was seeing all these super good traders making tons of profits, making 10K a day, buying Lambos, doing this, doing that, and I was comparing myself to them. I wanted to be like them. I wanted to be able to flip accounts like them, you know? And what happened? I started doing that. I tried to do that. And of course, it all led to balloon accounts, a lot of stress, a lot of time wasted, till a point where I was almost giving up, literally. I stopped for, I think it was a week or two. I haven't traded at all. And after that, I decided I either quit or I start doing it, but focusing only on myself, being in a competition with me, like tunnel vision, you know? And that for me was the click, I would say. Of course, since then, I still lost trades here and there, but overall, on a weekly, monthly basis, I've been consistent, which is the most important part for me. Okay? But that for me was the big change. I stopped comparing myself to others. And I highly recommend you to do so, because I'm very sure that a lot of you do the same mistake. And it's not healthy. We need to be in a competition with ourselves to try to be better than we were yesterday. That's the best competition we can go for. Tunnel vision. Am I better than I was last week? Am I more consistent than I was last month? If the answer is yes, then continue doing what you're doing. You are on the right path. It's that simple. If the answer is no, okay, it's totally fine. You have to make some adjustments. But do not focus on left, right, and see what they're doing. Okay, of course, you can go ahead and watch YouTube videos. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day, or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay? Enjoy and thank me later. You can go ahead, follow traders online, see what they're up to, but only use it as a motivation, I would say, to be like, oh, look, he made 10K this week. Good for him. I'm very happy for him. Soon I might be able to do the same thing, and be happy about it. Don't be jealous, because me personally, I was kind of getting jealous when I saw so many people making so many profits, and that I wasn't able to do it. And because I felt like that, I started FOMOing into trades, trying to flip accounts, trying to this, that, and of course, it all led to nothing really. And as soon as you guys start doing this, I really think a lot will change. At least for me, it did. You know, like this literally might be the missing piece of your puzzle. You literally can have a good strategy, a good risk management plan, but if your mindset is off, it still can be super hard to be consistent while trading. Because let's say you are consistent for 1 week, 2 weeks, and then you see somebody, I don't know, flexing 100K profits in a month, and then you'll be like, let me risk 1K per trade instead of $100. Maybe I'll be able to surpass him in a couple of months. And guess what happens? Your psychology goes downhill and you'll eventually blow the account. Like, that's going to happen 80% of times if that's your mindset. And I know it's totally fine. I've been through it as well. I mean, um, it sounds weird for me to say it because this was exactly something that I went through. But the reason I decided to make this video is because maybe some of you will learn from mistakes I did and a lot of other people did as well, instead of you going through them and repeating the whole process once again. Because trust me, it will save you a lot of effort, money, and time is the most valuable, I would say. All right. So, yeah, I think this is pretty much it for the video. I really wanted to keep it short. I literally thought about this topic the other day and I was like, okay, I will most likely do a video on this because I'm sure that some of you guys might be struggling with this. And maybe by doing this video, I was able to help you, to help somebody get past this bump. Okay? So stop comparing yourself with others. It's you against you, and it will always be like this. If you're constantly upgrading your skills, seeing consistency going up, and you being on a uphill, I would say, on a uptrend, then that's fine. Continue doing what you're doing. You are on the right path. If not, it's totally fine. You need to make some small adjustments, and that's it. But don't compare yourself to others. That's literally all I have to say, and this will help you a lot with not losing money when trading Forex, and start being disciplined and start making a plan. All right. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on future uploads. Feel free to also share and like the video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.